How do you get a timestamp in JavaScript? How can I get a timestamp in JavaScript? Something similar to Unix timestamp. That is, a single number that represents the current time and date, either as a number or a string. Short and snazzy. Plus new date. A unary operator like plus triggers the value of method in the date object and it returns the timestamp, without any alteration. Details. On almost all current browsers you can use date now to get the UTC timestamp in milliseconds. A notable exception to this is IE8 and earlier. You can easily make a shim for this though. To get the timestamp in seconds, you can use math floor, date now, divide by 1000, or alternatively you could use date now, divide by 1000 or 0, which should be slightly faster, but also less readable. I would recommend using date now, with compatibility shim. It's slightly better because it's shorter and doesn't create a new date object. However, if you don't want a shim and maximum compatibility, you could use the old method to get the timestamp in milliseconds. New date.getTime, which you can then convert to seconds like this. Math round, new date.getTime, divide by 1000, and you can also use the value of method which we showed above, new date.value of. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.